Wide-shot African savanna. There are not many cities where wilderness sites right on the doorstep, but this a hippo submerged in water, and yet, despite proximity, a vast chasm remains a language barrier between us and them. A flock of birds calling to each other. But what if we could break through? What if we could understand them? Khadim Hussain. Hello, I am Khadim Hussain, biological expert, writer, and explorer of patterns in nature. And I want to know, can I can AI decode the language of animals? Can we not just understand but speak to them? Cache the dog button board demo. Let's start with our closest companions dogs. Cache. Pressing button. What? Bone. Khadim Hussain. Every dog understands bone, but can they express feelings? Oh, one day Cash pressed, I am sad, I am sick, I was spectacle. Until minutes later, he vomited. Coincidence or communication? Some scientists are doubtful, others say it is the start of something revolutionary. Rosetta store of AI decoding Egyptian hieroglyphs took the Rosetta stone, understanding animals. That is where comes in. Graphic of the transformer models. AI doesn't just process words, it maps them into a complex galaxy of meaning. And if it can do this is of human language, why not? Why animal communication? Earth Species Project. Beluga whale sounds holding human brain model. We work with 40 plus institutions analyzing terabytes of animal sounds like this beluga whale audio player. Khadim Hussain sounds like alien radio, static, but to them it is a language. AI can now identify patterns in these sounds, separating voices, recognizes syntax, even predicting responses like ChatGPT for the animals. AI predictive text for birds. Khadim Hussain hearing AI generated bird calls. I couldn't tell where the real bird ended and the AI began. But does the bird notice? Could we one day hold a conversation? The risks of AI speech in nature. But here is the danger. Hummingbird, cone merged, icon merged with AI waveforms. AI generated voices could interfere with real communication. Whales learn songs and spread them across oceans. What happens if we insert synthetic voices into that system? Could we disrupt migration, social bonds, entire ecosystem? Around Ruskin, if we are not careful, we could unintentionally rewrite a 34 million year old wisdom tradition. Conclusion. The future of AI and animals communication. We are standing at the edge of the something profound, a world where we don't just observe animals, we listen to them, speak to them, maybe one day understand them. Khadim Hussain, final thought. The question is when we finally have the ability to take to them, what will we say? And more importantly, what will they say back? That's all.